Stop.
So, this is my third time na i-record to. Kasi yung dalawang video, wala siyang sounds. Di ko alam kung bakit. So, natawa tuloy ako. Ayun na nga. So, I'm going to share with you kasi yung isang bagay din na ang tagal ko na rin namang pinag-iisipan. Actually, previous pa, before pa ako magpalit ng phone, nauna talaga siya, pero masyado akong nahatak ng Samsung, ng S23 na to. So, yun. So, nauna ko siyang i-purchase, although mas mura siya, and mas needed ko din naman siya previously talaga. Then, mas kailangan ko na siya ngayon kasi, as most of my friends know, wala akong TV, or wala akong pinapanooran na kahit ano dito sa room ko since I rented out na with my cousin. So actually, I've been thinking about it pretty lately. Hindi lang siya 1 week kung pinag-isipan. Although 1 week na akong nagbo-browse kung ano yung maganda. Then yun nga, may mga lumapag na bagong model since it's already mid 2024. So, yeah, and may alam kong may bagong parating na naman sila this bare months. Pero kasi, ang iniisip kong bilhin is yung sure ako na kaya lang nung capacity ko. Kaya lang nung means ko to pay for it. I've been thinking about this then. Kung I will buy this recent one or like yung mga previous ones pa kasi nanonood pa ako ng mga reviews if ano ba yung magandang yung worth to buy now sa market, then gina-jot down ko rin kung saan ko ba talaga siya gagamitin, saan ko ba ma-maximize yung paggamit sa kanya since I have my phone din naman. So yeah, pretty lately I've been thinking about it if I will get this one or my other option. So my other option is a laptop. So, pretty much more, ang naiisip ko talagang bilhin and tin-target ko, and ilang beses ko nang binabrowse through their website is the iPad 10th Gen. And I'm also asking my friend if, ano yung iPad niya. Kasi previously, she bought an iPad na din. And, nakita ko na sobrang worth it din naman ng iPad niya. Kasi, wala siyang work laptop before. And she can use it anywhere. Like, pwede niyang bitbitin with or without the keyboard. So pretty much I've been thinking about it and I'm still jotting down if should I buy the recent one or should I buy the latter part. Kung worth it pa ba yung 9th gen. Actually, I'm not too much familiar with the generations. Although I'm an iOS person, an Apple person previously, pero more on phones kasi ako. I'm not into iPads or other Apple gadgets. Yeah. I will be sharing with you guys pag bibili na talaga ako kasi it has still been it's been a week since I started really browsing about the specs and everything, and yeah, pretty much sure I'll be sharing with you this one because when will I be purchasing the item if I'm already and really decided on the color. Medyo mahirap siyang pagpilian kasi I'm into blue and I'm also into minimalistic one like the silver. Yeah. So, but I'm also into blue recently. So, yeah, I'm pretty much undecided pa sa color. But sa memory, I think I'll go with the higher one since parang sobrang baba na ng 64 gig since I already came with the 128 gig and 256 gig from my previous phone, and my recent one is 512. So yeah, I think I'll stick with the 256 gig. And also, I'm still undecided on which accessory yung isasabay ko na I can much more of utilize or use yung keyboard or yung pencil. Kasi sobrang pag nanood ka ng reviews, they are very useful kung naka-iPad ka. So yeah, I'm pretty much undecided on which accessories should I get together with my iPad. But yeah, I will be sharing with you all of them. So I think dahil nga mahilig akong mag-mini vlog, ito yung next vlog ko na i-upload sa YouTube channel ko. And I'm not sure if kasya pa siya sa Reels. But yeah, sana sipagan ako mag-edit at i-upload. And sana, hindi ko makalimutan. Hindi ko makalimutan mag-video upon purchasing it. Pero most likely, ang unboxing, hindi ko siya makakalimutan. Kasi most of the time, I do unboxing on almost everything. Hindi ko lang siya ina-upload dahil tamad akong mag-edit. So, yeah. So, I'm heading to the mall ngayon. Dahil, I'm already decided kung ano na talaga yung bibilhin ko. Actually, medyo. Pero, yun, since I have plans and I have to plan on something. So, kaya nag-decide na ako na kung ano talaga yung kukunin ko. And I'm a bit down lately. So, baka pag pinurchase ko na siya is medyo maging light ang mood natin. So, naiya ako mag-video sa labas. Walang masyado naglalakad, kaya ako nakakapag-video. Huwag yun ang pansinin yung mata ko kasi hindi ko alam bakit ganyan. Nanood lang naman ako ng music video ng ng Cheers to Youth dahil pinanood ko muna siya bago ako lumabas. So, ayun nga, bibilin ko na talaga siya. Bibili na ako bago ako mag-book ng ticket ko.
Ate will see. Ito yung pen, ma.
What do you first way, I will wait for you. Otherwise, I will tell you. Keyboard, you pay together.
mic test muna. Oh my God! So, hindi ko na nga patatagalin. Actually, hindi ko na siya pinatagal talaga. Gusto ko na andito na yung excitement. Ngayon ko na rin siya ulit i-unbox. Bala ko kasi sana parang may antayin pang accessory na by Saturday pa darating. Pero, na-realize ko na pwede ko naman siya pakita sa mga susunod na araw. I mean, siguro, i-attach ko pa rin siya throughout this video since kasama naman talaga siya dapat sa pag-purchase ko. Although wala lang available sa store today. So, tomorrow pa siya. So, by Saturday ko pa siya makukuha. So, today is Thursday, by the way. Hindi ko na masyadong pinatagal dahil last week ko pa talaga siya gusto. Not totally gusto. Pero last week ko pa naman siya pinag-iisipan talagang maigi. Char. hindi ko ano, pero basta mas matagal ko na din talaga siyang gusto. Naka-iOS pa ako kasi tina-target ko rin siya. So, I'm torn kung yun nga, nabanggit ko na I'm torn between laptop and this one. Pero, ito na siya. So, I bought this on Sharaf DG. So, gadget store siya dito. So, apparently dapat sa iStyle ako bibili, pero I realized na mas may ma-offer pang alternative yung Sharaf DG, and yeah, basically may ma-offer pa silang alternative para sa pencil and sa case, kasi nga I'm super torn of getting the Magic Folio keyboard kasi parang hindi ko mawari, or you know, I can buy another keyboard for this one kasi parang sobra akong namamahalan, literal. If i-convert ko siya, ang mahal. I mean, I can afford it, but you know, it's not necessarily mean na even though I can afford it, I should buy it. So, yeah, luckily, nag-offer si Kuya Dindo. Natawa ako kasi that was the name of my previous boss. So, yeah, luckily, may in-offer si Kuya Dindo na alternative pen and keyboard. So, the keyboard, I will get it on Saturday dahil hindi siya available ngayon. I mean, may another available pero hindi ko gusto yung design niya. And the other one na in-offer niya, as in yung una niyang in-offer is, I like it kasi yung color, it's color black and attachable. I will not cut this one. So, detachable yung case niya sa keyboard. So, na-unbox ko na siya doon actually kasi nga, pinakabitan ko na siya ng tempered glass. Kasi yung binili kong keyboard, may kasama ng tempered. So, sabi ko, good off na rin siya. Kasi, nakatipid talaga ako dun sa keyboard. Plus, may kasama ng tempered yung keyboard na pinurchase ko. So, this is it. So, my unboxing, I did it on the mall kasi nga, pinakabitan ko na siya ng tempered. So, this one is a bit, you know, more personal unboxing. Personal unboxing to. Hindi sure ipahaba yung video na to. But, oh my God! So, yeah, I chose the color. Let's do it again. Okay, napunit ko na siya. I chose the color blue. See? So blue. I mean, ilang beses ako nanood ng mga unboxing, ng mga reviews nito. So, yeah, I think this one's a good choice already. Yeah, yan siya. So, yun nga, I also bought this one. So, this one is the pencil that I bought since hindi naman ako ma-drawing na tao, plus I only need this one kasi ma-edit naman ako, so I can definitely know by myself na kailangan ko din talaga siya. So, pati magsulat, mahilig ako magsulat. So, yeah, I think I will be switching to more tech sa pagsusulat kasi until now, everywhere I have my ball pens with me, I have my notebook with me, as in everywhere. So, sometimes I cannot bring small bags kasi, you know, if I get bored outside, I will definitely write. I know it by myself. So, yeah. So, unbox ko rin siya. So, I don't want to cut the tip. That's how, like, yun ako kaingat. So ito, so this one already includes like, yeah, this one. Pag inopen mo siya, wait, sorry, inopen mo siya, ganyan siya. The pen, the manual. So it has manual, yeah. So this one already includes, like, so this one it already includes like 2 tips, yan, 2 extra tips if, you know, hindi naman natin maiwasan minsan yung masita siya. And the word, so type C na rin siya, for charge. And the actual pen is this one. So yeah, this is the case, and dito mo siya i-charge. So hindi siya may actual pen, hindi siya sa actual pen. Dito mo siya i-charge, and this one is magnetic one. So ito yung charge yung port niya. And I tried it nung kanina sa store, and so good. Para rin, so para rin talaga siyang ano. So this is the actual pen. I don't know if mo siya. Wala si Batman. So ayun siya. So ayun yung tip niya. Ayan, actual tip niya. And it's also smooth. Tapos, magnetic din siya. So yeah, I tried it on the store. Magnetic din siya here. See? I'm not sure how. Kaya magnetic siya. But the case, yung case niya naman doon sa, yung case na kinuha ko is, may lagayan din naman ng pencil. So yeah, that is my purchase. Maybe I'll upload my video on Sunday. Kasi hindi ko na, konting edit na lang naman siya. And, ipapakita or i-add ko na lang naman doon is yung keyboard ko for this one. The case and the keyboard. This is so lightweight. Hindi ko pala nakakita. So this one comes with a adapter. It's 20 watts adapter. And also yung cord niya. So yeah, yung cord niya bago na, ayun, parang you can see the details. I forgot the term, pero may term dito. I watched it on Miss Mary's vlog. So I'm a follower of Mary Bautista, the tech girl Mary. So yeah, ayan nga siya. Ang ganda niya. Masasabi ko, ang ganda. So yeah. So for now, yun lamang. At magdadagdag pa ako sa Sunday. Charing. So, I finally got the keyboard. So, tinest na rin namin siya doon. Hindi na nakapag-video doon sa mismong lugar kasi as in mabilisan lang. So, ito siya. Same siya with the pen. So, wala na dito yung keyboard kasi ito na siya. Wait, so ito yung receipt ko. And, Shan! So, ang ganda niya kasi medyo mabigat siya. Pero parang mas mabigat siya dun sa Magic Folio na kay Apple. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, ayan, medyo makapal yung likod niya. Tapos, ayan kasi, ayan yung ano niya, on and off button. Ayan yung on and off button niya. Tapos, andyan din yung charging port. So, eto, papakita ko siya sa inyo kung paano siya i-open. Yeah, yun yung keyboard ko. Hindi ko na masyado ipapakita kung paano siya gamitin kasi usual keyboard lang naman siya, and I just happy kasi syempre I got this on a lower price kasi nga medyo hindi ako na makatarungan yung keyboard, or siguro sa iba yes, but for me na iniisip ko pa rin syempre yung budget ko, okay na din yung in-offer sa akin na to ni Kuya. So for now, yun na, happy pa din ako kasi nga I got na kung ano yung gusto ko, plus the accessories, I got it on a cheaper price, and yeah, the pencil, the keyboard, I got it on a cheaper price, and I'm just so happy. Yun lang. Thank you very much for watching. So yun lang, thank you for hindi ko na alam sasabihin ko, basta thank you. If makaabot kayo hanggang dito sa dulo, thank you very much for watching until sa susunod na budol. Yun lang. Bye!